Hi, my name is Riley, and today we are going to be illustrating and explaining negative inducible prokaryotic transcription. Before we get started, we're going to be doing an operon review. RNA polymerase, which is the enzyme that starts transcription, will see a promoter region where RNA polymerase is supposed to bind. So RNA polymerase will bind to the promoter region, which starts transcription. However, every operon will have an operator, and that's where regulatory proteins bind, and it stops DNA and transcription from occurring. However, they also have structural genes that are attached, and these are basically the things that are being transcribed. Now we're going to be looking at the negative inducible mode of prokaryotic transcription. Negative means that transcription is going to be blocked by a repressor protein. Inducible means that transcription is turned on in the presence of a small molecule. As we can see, the repressor protein is bound to the DNA polymerase, which is the site of transcription. However, transcription is blocked, and the protein must leave for transcription to occur. I'm transcription undergoing a negative inducible mode. I'm trying to go, but this repressor's in my way, so I need a small molecule to help me. Thank you. Transcription is altered in the presence of a small molecule. So we're looking at a negative inducible system, and the negative blocks transcription from occurring in the form of a repressor protein. And inducible means that transcription will be turned on in the presence of a small molecule. Here, without the small molecule, RNA is looking for the promoter region to bind to. However, the repressor is stopping it, and translation cannot occur. But in the presence of a small molecule, the U shape on the repressor protein, which is used to bind to the DNA, is now turned into a round shape, which means the repressor cannot bind to DNA, and RNA can find the promoter region, and transcription can occur. Thanks to this small molecule, this repressor shape's messed up, and I can keep going. Here we're going to be looking at a negative inducible analogy. Your best friends are going to the beach, and they invited you to go with them. However, your parents want you to stay at home and do chores. Your parents represent the repressor, and the beach trip with your friends represents transcription. In order to get your parents to say yes, we need a small molecule, which is your sibling getting into trouble. Your parents have a higher affinity for your sibling's punishment than you going to the beach, so transcription can occur. Hey Dad, can I go to the beach? Absolutely not. What did you do? I broke the fridge. Okay, you can go to the beach. Now you're in trouble.